Varanasi, the spiritual heart of India. Today, I take you with me on a soulful journey through ancient ghats, sacred rituals, divine food, and the timeless energy of the Ganga River. Let's begin. As soon as you step into Varanasi, you feel its pulse, crowded lanes, chants in the air, and colors everywhere. It's chaotic, yet calm. Early morning boat rides are a must. Watch as the city awakens with rituals, holy dips, and floating diyas. The river tells stories older than time. Each ghat has a story, some about kings, others about gods, and some about endings and new beginnings. This is where faith meets fire, every day.
So cute.
Ash in Varanasi is not just the end, it is the beginning. It reminds us that everything we hold in life is temporary, and only the soul remains eternal. In the holy city of Varanasi, ash isn't feared, it's honored. From the burning ghats to the sacred vibhuti, the message is clear: life ends, the soul rises, and the spirit continues. As the sun sets, the Ganga comes alive with devotion. This is the Ganga Aarti, a spiritual ritual dedicated to the river goddess Ganga. The air is filled with the scent of incense, the glow of lamps, and the sound of ancient mantras echoing across the ghats. 7 priests perform the Aarti with fire lamps, each representing the elements: earth, water, fire, air, and ether. It's not just a ritual, it's an offering of gratitude, a dance of devotion, and a prayer for peace. People from around the world gather here every evening, not just to witness the ceremony, but to feel the divine rhythm of life. Each drop of the Ganga is believed to hold divine energy. For many, a single dip in these sacred waters brings spiritual rebirth. One of the most beautiful parts of Varanasi isn't just its ghats or temples, it's the people. The locals here live a simple life, filled with faith and tradition. They speak from the heart, smile freely, and offer help without expecting anything in return.